Go!
Second scrimmage of the preseason, how'd it go out there?
Made some progress. Kids flew around. Looking at them, I think we're in pretty good shape. Did some good things, had some big plays, had some missed tackles. That can be expected just 2 weeks into it. But I like the intensity. I like the way the kids played. The quarterbacks, I think, on that first drive, Mitch was great. I mean, he stuck that one pass route in there, and then he operated the run game as well, and did a fantastic job for us. We have some guys that can make some plays. The big thing that we've got to do is just work on the little things, attention to detail. We're struggling a little bit in the kicking game, and part of that deals with they're worried about the big pieces, but it's the little pieces that get you in the kicking game. The minutia as far as the technique, the angles of the step, whether you're crossing the midline on a particular punt, can create problems for guys. I like where we're at right now. We have miles and miles to go, but at this point, I think we've made some progress. Hopefully, we didn't get too banged up after this one. Next Wednesday we'll have the final one, and then it's in the game week preparation.
Now, did you get as many plays in as you were looking to before the rain hit, or?
Well, no. I was concerned once the rain hit. I was concerned with the lightning. Our trainer, Will, Chrisman had talked to us about the lightning. There may be lightning with the storm, and once it blew up and started coming down there, I was concerned about the safety of the kids and just getting off the field.